you see how Muslims macam dia so easily triggered. All they have to take is a flag yang ada ayat Quran ke, ayat Arab ke, pijak. And to her, Israel dah pijak agama Islam.
Ummati Muhammad. Ya ummati Muhammad. Ya ummati Muhammad. This is not only a flag, but the meaning written there. La ilaha illallah Muhammadar Rasulullah. Today they are stepping on your flag. Tomorrow they will step on your land. This is not only about the flag. This is about our dignity as an Islam. Ya ummati Muhammad. They are openly provoking Islam, openly provoking Muslim. What are stopping you to voice out? What are stopping you to defend our religion? What are you scared of? The least can happen is death. Today or tomorrow, we must die. Let's die with some dignity. Let's die by defending our religion.
So, I'm a Muslim. I believe in Allah, in Quran, in the Prophet. I follow. And that flag is not my religion. That kain is not my religion. My religion cannot be stepped on. My religion is my belief. My religion is what I hold on in my morality, in my consciousness, and what guides me in the principles of my life, the virtues that I choose to be the paragon of virtues. That is Islam. So, how easily triggered are the Muslims? Orang bakar Quran ke, orang kencing atas Quran ke, orang buang Allah kat socks ke. So what? What? How does that degrade your religion? If you reduce your religion to those things, then memang orang pijak tu lah. So, kalau itu agama you marah, then up to you lah, you nak marah. You want to die for something, you want to die for that piece of cloth. Up to you. To me, Muslim macam dia ni, macam orang-orang Akmal semua, all these things, they are desecrating and urinating on my religion daily. With every word they utter, with every action of theirs, with every idiotic advocacy of theirs, they are marring and tainting my religion by the day. Orang gelak kat agama kita, dunia talk about kita, and Islam jadi bahan ketawa. That is the attack of Islam. It bothers or perturbs me the least. Yahudi punya askar pijak kain and so easily triggered macam perempuan ni. To me, what is the calamity is the behavior, the baboon behavior of Muslims. Ada yang sampai baling bom masuk KK Mat yang tak jual langsung socks pun. Yang Allah tu pun. You do this dalam bulan Ramadan. Nak polis orang siapa puasa tak puasa. Nak kata tak hormat. Kok mana tak hormat? Kalau orang Islam yang boleh makan, dia makan. Di khalayak ramai. Orang non-Muslim makan kat khalayak ramai. Kan? Kalau orang tu muka Cina tapi dia masuk Islam, you tahu ke dia Islam? Kalau orang tu muka macam India, Hindu, muka macam orang India, tapi dia Islam, you tahu ke? Melainkan dia pakai tudung atau serban kan? So kalau dia makan, itu tak disrespectful to you. Tapi kalau you tahu dia punya agama Islam, is disrespectful to you. Kalau Chindian, muka macam Melayu makan, nampak macam Melayu, you jadi upset dah. Kena clarify yang dia tu bukan orang Islam. Okay, I'm not offended. Jadi yang tu bukanlah tidak menghormati Ramadan. Punyalah bodoh, punyalah bagal. Muslims lah to me lah, are the foremost embarrassment of Islam today. I tak kata semua, I pun Muslim. Tapi I'm saying that Muslim-Muslim yang sewaktu dengan perempuan ni, marah. Today they're stepping, tomorrow it can be yours. Pijak pula apa pun. You bakar lah Quran apa pun. Quran pun print kat China. It's kertas. Faham tak? You bakar 1 juta naskah pun, kalau Quran tu orang Islam pegang, terbuku dalam hati, and that is what guides them, and they follow the teachings. How do you burn that? How do you diminish that? Punyalah marah. Kalau Quran bakar kurang, that's it. Oh, kalau 1000 Quran dibakar, Islam dah jadi diminish, is it? Punyalah bodoh. Punyalah ni. So dia irritating us, they are provoking us. Yeah, because you are easily provoked. There's nothing to provoke. Kalau people like me, you step on that flag, step bila. Flag tu pun dia beli duit dia. Dia nak bakar ke apakah, continue. Burn some more. You can burn whatever you want to burn. You don't affect me. You don't affect my beliefs. You don't affect, how good or bad I am as a Muslim. It's nothing. It's not an issue. Tapi, itulah. Easily triggered. Sekarang ni, perempuan ni is short of, calling for jihad lah. Nak perang, nak apa kan, sanggup nak mati. Because of a flag. Yang ada, tulisan Arab atau ayat Quran. Tell you, teruk lah. I mean, aku kesian. Because to me, this perempuan, dia percaya dia betul. And dia rasa dia telah dicabuli sebagai seorang Muslim. Nampak tak? This is so sad and pathetic. Aduh, and then dia duk mati. Pi matilah. To me, apalah you nak cakap ni? Aku tengok every time macam ni. Oh my ummahku, ummah orang Islam. Bila lah kita nak rise to higher dignity? Bila lah kita nak duduk macam ni, dihina, dicerca. And Allah juga kena fitnah. Agama Allah juga kena fitnah. Yang the intolerant, yang tak respect orang, yang being forced down other people's throat. And orang sampai benci Islam. Orang benci Islam because of Muslims. Faham tak? Bukan because of Allah, bukan because of Muhammad. Period.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.
Write your opinion in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.